5 AI tools that will make you rich in 2024. The method in which we live and work is undergoing fast transformation as a result of artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being put to use in the corporate world to automate operations, improve decision-making, and generate new goods and services. A lot of artificial intelligence programs are also available that can assist you in making money online. The generation of content, the creation of marketing campaigns, and the automation of duties related to providing customer service are all possible uses for these tools. These artificial intelligence capabilities can be utilized in a variety of ways to generate income. Here are a few concepts to consider. Create and sell content. You can utilize them to develop content, which you can then go on to sell to either individuals or businesses. Blog postings, articles, ebooks, and even white papers could fall under this category. Offer content creation services. If you have a solid understanding of how to use these technologies, you can offer your skills to companies or individuals who require assistance in developing content if you are in a position to do so. Create and sell AI-powered products or services. You can also utilize them as a leverage point to build new products or services that you can sell to consumers or corporations. This may be chatbots enabled by artificial intelligence, marketing automation systems, or even apps powered by AI themselves. In this article for our site, we will go through 5 different AI tools that can assist you in making money online. 1. Jasper AI. The intelligent writing tool known as Jasper AI is capable of assisting users in swiftly and simply producing articles of high quality. Blog entries, articles, social media posts, and even email marketing campaigns may all be automatically generated with the help of Jasper. The Jasper.ai platform is an artificial intelligence-powered tool that was developed to make it easier for content creators, marketers, and enterprises to produce high-quality content. But why is Jasper unique among the many other AI writing tools that are already available? How exactly does it work? And more importantly, can it really take your content generation approach to the next level? The answers to these concerns may be found in this comprehensive tutorial, which also provides an in-depth look at Jasper. This review was crafted with your specific requirements in mind. Whether you're an experienced content creator or the owner of a small business looking to maximize the effectiveness of your content creation. The Jasper service is offered on a subscription basis, although users have the option to begin with a free trial. 2. ChatGPT. Another sophisticated AI writing tool that can be used to make content, translate languages, and answer questions is ChatGPT. You may use it to answer questions, generate content, and translate languages. ChatGPT is powered by a big language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows ChatGPT to translate between users' natural language and code. In its first few weeks of operation, ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI that has quickly gained widespread popularity, has presented a prospective new search paradigm. The chatbot provides in-depth responses to users' inquiries concerning subjects such as political science and computer programming. Because it is structured in the form of a question and answer exchange, users are able to hone down on specifics until they have complete comprehension. Users who conduct comparable research on Google are often required to examine the search results and navigate through a variety of websites before arriving at their own findings. ChatGPT, on the other hand, provides an answer that is conclusive, or at least sounds conclusive, in a matter of seconds. There are few businesses, some of which were started by people who once worked for Alphabet Incorporated's Google and who believe they are on the verge of unseating the search giant's dominant position. The business owners claim that a transition is currently taking place away from the prevalent model of keyword search, in which search engines scour the internet for particular terms, and toward searches powered by large language models. These models examine enormous text databases to develop the ability to understand user questions and produce direct answers. The technology described here is what ChatGPT uses in order to create its rapid-fire answers. 3. Boomi. Boomi is an artificial intelligence music composition tool that can assist you in composing your songs. Boomi is capable of producing a wide range of musical styles, such as pop, rock, electronic, and classical music. Advice for achieving victory with Boomi. Make sure you pick the appropriate genre. When you are just getting started, it is a good idea to pick a style of music that you are already well versed in and that you have a strong interest in. This will make it easier for you to succeed. Because of this, you will be able to compose music that is not only accurate but also interesting. Carry out some study. It is essential to undertake some preliminary research and have an understanding of the preferences of your intended listeners before beginning the process of generating new music. This will make it easier for you to compose music that is fascinating to them and relevant to their lives. Make effective use of Boomi. Boomi is a strong tool, but it is essential to employ it in the most efficient manner possible. If you want to get the most out of Boomi, you need to make sure that you are familiar with all of the various features and customization options that it provides. Have some patience. Building a profitable online business is a process that requires patience. Do not anticipate being wealthy overnight. If you continue to produce high-quality music and provide outstanding support to your audience, you will, without a doubt, start to see some results. 4. Descript. The AI-powered transcription and editing tool known as Descript can help you save time while also elevating the overall quality of the movies you create. Descript is capable of performing an automatic transcription of your videos and also provides a variety of editing capabilities that can assist you in enhancing the sound quality and tempo of your videos. How to make money using Descript and its applications. Making money with Descript can be done in a variety of different ways. Here are a few concepts to consider. You can sell transcribed versions of videos. You can transcribe videos with the help of Descript, and then sell those transcriptions to either individuals or businesses. This may take the form of video instructions, video reviews of products, or even video advertisements. Provide services in the areas of transcription and editing. If you have a solid understanding of how to use Descript, you can offer your services to companies or individuals who require assistance with transcribing and editing movies if you are proficient in the usage of the software. 5. Scribe. Scribe is an artificial intelligence-powered transcription tool that can assist you in creating transcripts from the audio and video recordings you have created. Scribe is able to accurately transcribe a wide variety of accents and speaking styles since it is backed by a comprehensive language model. Tools based on AI are rapidly gaining in both capability and accessibility. This indicates that there are currently a variety of ways to make money online using AI, artificial intelligence. AI technologies should be on your radar if you are seeking ways to create income online and you are currently doing so. Additional suggestions for generating revenue with the use of AI tools are as follows. Choose the right tools for your needs. Given the wide variety of AI tools that are currently accessible, it is essential to pick the ones that are most suited to meet the requirements that are unique to your organization. Be creative. Making money through the usage of AI tools can be done in a variety of different ways. Do not be scared to exercise your imagination and try out a variety of novel concepts. Be patient. Building a profitable online business is a process that requires patience. Do not anticipate being wealthy overnight. You only need to keep producing high-quality material and offering outstanding support to your customers, and you will eventually start to see some benefits. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.